Y'all, so baby right now, he is making some pancakes, but I can't zoom in enough. Let's see your mix, babe. Oh, you got the whisk out and everything. So he making pancakes with bananas.
Seen it on TikTok, I think it was.
You seen it on TikTok?
I think so. Supposed to be like protein, brownies, and all that.
Let me see. Come here. Alright, so that's how it looks so far. Okay, let's see what you're working with, babe.
We're gonna see how it turns out.
Okay. Huh? I can't hear you. Y'all, this thing wearing me out. I'm trying to do at least 30 minutes. I'm gonna be in the house. So this is the first thing I needed to get out the way. My fasted cardio. Please, like, I feel like this helps as far as the PCOS and stuff, which is why I don't think I've gone past a certain point in my weight. But we're gonna try to keep the weight down. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get off here so I can catch my breath. All right. Oh, it smells good too. So my baby making pancakes out of bananas. This is our first time, but it smells good and look good. Let me let him get it before it burns. Go. Oh, yes, eggs and bananas. Let's go. I think this up too high. Woo! The steam on my camera, right? Big apple. Alright, so he about to put the mix on here, the one that he made with the hopefully y'all can hear me over this fan. Bananas and eggs, and I don't know what else he put in there. This is secret sauce. They look good. I'm sure they're gonna taste good because bananas are good. Okay. Alright. I don't even know. I just started talking this morning, y'all, because I was excited to vlog, to be honest. What's today, the 10th? Today is January 10th. And hopefully y'all can see me okay with that. I opened the blinds behind me. But today is January 10th. We are snowed in. What's today? Friday? Friday, January 10th. And so right now we're gonna talk more to y'all about this, but y'all know we always striving to be as healthy as we can. Of course, we are foodies. We like to eat out sometimes and stuff like that, but we are working on just overall health. So first and foremost, my husband decided to start doing this probiotic yogurt. Let me move right here so y'all can see me. Probiotic yogurt. And so he had to literally make that. He watched a YouTube video of some doctor talking about, and he probably can speak more to this, but like your gut health. So he went and purchased this thing right here. It's a probiotic yogurt maker and some products, which I'll show y'all later because we're gonna like go through it as he's making it one day. But the yogurt, he's mixing it up right now. Let's show them the yogurt, actually. Hold on. All right, so this is the yogurt. It looks like cottage cheese to me. What you think? Yeah. So that's the yogurt. Can you, let me see. You already knew what I was gonna say. Lift this one up. Oh, okay. It had not cooked. Oh, it did cook, didn't it?
99 degrees for 36 hours.
So in the yogurt maker, because I know y'all can't hear my baby, he speaks off sometimes, but how long you said? 36 hours
99 degrees.
On 99 degrees. So he had that stuff cooking for 36 hours on 99 degrees. Then it had to sit in the refrigerator for 12 hours. And this is our first time about to taste it. So we're gonna let y'all know what it tastes like. I was kind of iffy about taking it just because it's half and half in there, and half is dairy. And I've been trying to stay away from dairy. However, I'm gonna give this a try simply because it's supposed to make my gut health better. We did not fast. I guess we technically did fast because we slept. I was gonna say we didn't fast before. You watching it? We didn't fast before we took it, but we did because we slept overnight and didn't eat anything yet. I did have my little cocktail that I make for, you know, when I work out, but I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna taste it on camera, let y'all know what I'm thinking and stuff. I'm kind of nervous because it look kind of cheesy. He said he is too, but we gonna see. So we about to try it. He over there, y'all. He don't want to be on camera. All right, so this is it. My baby put blueberries. Y'all can see. He put blueberries in it. What's wrong? Come on. You already over here. All right, so
I'm a little scared of the dads.
we didn't get our ginger shots and stuff.
No, they close.
Watch it, move your bowl. You got it here. All right, go ahead. What you
Let's
think?
get this over with, right?
Okay, hold on. Cheers. You eating it with the blueberry? I mean,
Right here.
let's see. Hold on. Cheers. See? Oh, wow. Oh. You can't put honey in this?
No.
That does not the taste I expected. Ooh.
At least I'm definitely glad I got the blueberries.
Ooh.
What would you expect?
Look at that. I'm glad the blueberries are here too. Lord have mercy. Oh my God. Okay, so let me swallow it first. I'm gonna have to let y'all know what he put in here. I don't even know, to be honest. I just know pro and pre and probiotics. It tastes like a little sour, right?
Yeah, I can get out.
It tastes a little sour to me. It's gonna be an acquired taste. I'm gonna put it like that. We need to find out if we can put honey in here at least. That would make it a little sweet. Y'all know we ain't doing sugar right now, so I think we gotta look and see if we can even eat honey. But yep, so we'll keep you guys posted on the progress with this. Today is day 1, so I'm vlogging it. You want to tell them like the benefits of it?
Supposed to help.
They can't hear you. Just tell me out there.
Supposed to help build up where it helps your digestive tract. You know, that's where.
Hold on, let me bring the camera over here. He said it helps your digestive tract.
Like with the enzymes and pro and prebiotics that's in your stomach and your intestines, and you know that's where the majority of your immune system is at. They also said something about it might help like with the skin as well as with your hair and stuff like that. So overall, it's just about trying to get healthy from the inside out. And again, your stomach, your gut is where the majority of your immune system at.
Yeah.
So get that right.
Yeah. So we'll keep y'all posted. All right, y'all. We headed outside. It snowed, so it's probably about 2 inches or less outside. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get some content out there. My friend said it's the first time in 7 years, which is crazy because she's probably right because we haven't had no snow since we lived down here. So, and the last time we seen snow in Georgia was that time we got stuck in the truck, which is a video on here with that. If you guys want to see it when we got stuck down here because of the snow, go back and check that video out. It was crazy. Oh, there we go. Hey y'all, so we at a hotel. Child, our power ended up going out, so we was in the house and my husband don't be playing. He said we getting up out of there. So I know that the power went out a lot of places in Georgia. I don't know if it went out anywhere else. I don't know if it went out anywhere else, but yeah, we in here Hopefully only for the night. That would be nice. It's late. It's probably like, it might be like 9 o'clock now, but we left probably like 7 something. And the whole neighborhood had power out, so we're gonna see how tomorrow go. But Georgia don't know how to handle it when it's snow, man. It's power out, streets messed up. And you could tell, like, I was looking on Instagram, and a lot of people was out there skiing and stuff. I said only in Atlanta. That's crazy. But yeah, so I'll check in with you guys later. Hey y'all. All right, so we just made it back home. And we're getting ready to do our yogurt. And I'm about to make this breakfast casserole, so I'll show you guys. But when we got back, all of our lights and stuff was still on that we had on when the power went out. So but yeah, so we getting ready to eat this yogurt. And I don't know if I told y'all, it tastes crazy. Like, not in a super bad way, but it definitely is it's going to be an acquired taste. So, but I'm going to do like a little cook with me. And we're going to make this yogurt today, so y'all can see how to make that as well. So, y'all stay tuned for that. We about to take these antibiotic shots. I think I told y'all about them before. I know I did on YouTube, but these are the antibiotic shots, which are good for right now with everything that's going on. I forgot the ingredients that's in them, so I'll list them for TikTok or wherever I'm posting this. I'll tell y'all later on YouTube. All right, ready? All right, so we always do a chink. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. This was strong this time. Ooh, I actually like this better than the
Ginger shot?
The ginger shot. Yeah, it's sweeter or something. All right, I made a mess. I gotta go clean it up. I'm getting ready to go to this late night sip and paint for my sister-in-law's birthday. So me and hubby, he over here watching the game. We about to go out, but I want to give y'all a quick fit check. So, all right. So basically, I just wore all black. I figured that would be best since we're going to a sip and paint. But my shirt is Shein, jeans Shein, and I got some boots from JCPenney's. So I always like to get their little riding boots, so simple little boots. And then I got this hat. I think I got this from Temu. But if I can, I'll link all the stuff down below. But this is my hat, and I need to put something on these lips. But yeah, real basic, natural, cute. That's it. All I got on is eyeliner, no makeup. So yeah, this is the fit. This is the fit, y'all.
Studio, and let us be known, we are a black-owned business. Make some love for black money.
That's why black people running this shit.
So listen, hold up. So first of all, before I introduce our owner,
I ain't gonna say shit.
and I get in trouble, I gotta introduce.
Yeah.
If you came drunk, say shit. That's table 4. They came drunk as fuck already. Okay. So listen, first of all, we got some rules. All right. Now, if you in the public school, please follow these rules. How do you carry on? It's expensive. Rule number 1: drink. Rule number. So listen, this is what I need everybody to do. I need everybody to put some liquor in their cup. Who my real liquor drinkers at? The liquor drinkers. Oh, this is the church side. They ain't got no liquor on this side. They ain't got no liquor on this side. What a liquor. See, she got a Stanley cup. She got a liquor.
Give me some music. What? Let me flip my wig, you know what I'm saying? You know, because you know this ain't my shit. I got like 20 of them, well, actually 200 of them in the closet. All right, guys, welcome to Pay 6 Socialize. I'm your girl, Sasha the Diva. Stand up, because I need the fucking energy up in here tonight. Stand up. Okay, she's a bad man, but you're not. That was good. You sound good.
Take a shot.
Listen, I got one job. I need table 4 to be drunk as fuck today, okay? They came in drunk.
That was 3 in a row.
So, listen, I'm driving home sober.
I'm about to put you in charge of my camera.
All right, so the first set. I know y'all had 3 shots now. You probably can't know what I'm saying right now, right? Okay, so the first step, grab the little brush. The lights will be off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just get it close. Give them a little something. Don't think about us, okay? Don't think about us. Grab her ass. Pull her in close. That's it.
Hey y'all, good morning. So we're up, about to go to the gym. We got in real late last night, but we're up. I don't even know what time. What time is it? 9:10. It's 9:10. All right, so we are about to hit the gym. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I'm really sore. My legs, butt, all that stuff from doing legs just a couple of days ago are sore. But I woke up this morning to CapCut being gone, you guys. So my whole video that I was downloading is gone. I cannot make this up. So I have to redo everything and get the video up, which takes time. So if you guys are seeing this video and I'm wearing this, that's why the video is late. Actually, no. What am I talking about? The video that I was posting was actually from December. So yeah, that video is late. I might put something on the community tab just in case anyone is looking for the video that's supposed to be posted this weekend. But yeah, you guys, CapCut is gone. So I was trying to find something else to use. Yeah, I don't think any of us are happy about this TikTok ban. So hopefully they'll bring it back. I didn't even pay any mind to the fact that that CapCut was TikTok and Lemonade. I got Lemonade too. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get my day started. I got a couple of things I need to get done today. But yeah, I'm getting ready to make some lemon water as soon as my husband get back here. So, but I hope you guys are having a good weekend. And I'll catch up with y'all later. All right, y'all, we just got back from the gym. And I'm gonna just do a quick little Amazon opening. I kind of opened the boxes, but I ain't really go through them. I really had to open my box because I needed my memory card because I bought another memory card. But we're gonna go through some of this stuff that's in here. I forgot some of the stuff I bought. I ain't even gonna be lied to y'all, but oh, first and foremost, I bought this book. This is a book that I'm supposed to be reading, but I'm actually gonna give this one to my friend. This is a book by Sarah Jakes Roberts, and it's called Don't Settle for Safe. So yeah, this is something I'm gonna be checking out. Honestly, I'm probably gonna get it on Audible. So the next, oh, this is my little memory card thing. I already ripped it open. That's trash. What is this? Child, I don't even know what this is. Oh, I ordered some batteries for my camera. So because we about to leave for our trip, so I ordered batteries for the camera and a battery charger. And y'all, I'm gonna put the link down below for this stuff so y'all can get it if y'all want to. And for whatever else I put in the video, I'll drop it down in the description. But this was only $20 for these 3 batteries and this battery charger. And look how little and compact it is. I was like, this is perfect. So I need this because I don't want to run out of juice while I'm out and don't have a charged battery or don't have a something to record on. I honestly want to get a mic too, but I'm gonna look at that and see if I got time to order one before I leave. So yeah, so that's those 2. Let's see what else I got. I'm just making a mess. Let me see what's in this package. See if I can show y'all everything that I got. Let's see. Oh, these are some underclothes. Y'all won't be seeing those. This is some hair. I got some crochet hair. I guess I can pull it out and show you guys. At least one, so y'all can see how I'm doing my hair for my trip. It's just some locks. I need to wash them. I gotta prep them first. You can't even see these, so y'all will see these once I actually do my hair. But they look really natural. I've worn these type of locks before when I had the orange on the bottom and the black up top. And so this time my husband just wanted me to do one solid color. Of course, after doing all this bright hair, he wants one solid color. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And I got one more thing. I'm pressed too. I'm pressed for what I'm about to show y'all. Let me see. Let's see what we got. See what we got. I should have waited until I showed you guys me wearing it, but I got me some boots. I'm gonna put the link down for the girlies so y'all can get these if y'all want them. Oh, look at these. Y'all, I got these on Amazon. Now, hold on. I got these on Amazon, but I didn't know they was a wedge. I don't think I read that, but I don't care. I'm still gonna wear them. These are fly, and I'm getting a little purse to match. When I get the purse, I'm gonna show y'all too. Tell me these ain't nice. Wait till I put them on. I'm gonna get back on and show y'all. These are really cute. I think they were about, I used a gift card too, so I think I paid 40, so I think they were about 60 bucks. Y'all know people be wearing the name brand ones like these in black. But I wanted to be different, so I got the jean ones. Ooh, y'all, wait till I hook it up. But yeah, that's for my girls. Y'all will find the link down below. Also, let me announce it now while I'm on here. because I'm pretty sure this video is going to be out after after I announce it on social media, so on like Instagram. So I am now a LTK girly. So everything that y'all see that you guys like, when I wear something, when I buy something, makeup, clothes, whatever you can think of that you see me share, you guys will be able to go right there and shop and get exactly what I got. If you enjoyed it, you liked it, you want to try it out for yourself. Yes, I have an Amazon store, but I also have LTK now, and y'all know that's where the girlies are. So make sure you guys go and check it out. My name is Tandra Fit on there, just like it is on YouTube. So yeah, but I'll catch up with y'all later. I gotta go get a shower and get ready to go and eat and everything. So I'll catch up with you guys later. So y'all, why my husband tried to say my boots were ugly, I told him stay out of women's business. Listen, he ain't even seen the boots on me yet, and he already talking about they ugly. But you know what? It's not the first time. He'll say something, he don't like something that I got, and then when I get it on, he tell me I look nice. That's why he gotta, men, y'all gotta let women just do them and be women. Like, I'm gonna hook it up. Trust me. Wait till y'all see the pictures and stuff. Trust me, I'm gonna hook it up. Y'all know I'm gonna hook it up. But him, he a mess. Hey y'all, hey. Welcome to a new day. Today is January 20th, and I just got in the house, so I got some stuff I need to take care of today, but I'm definitely going to be taking you guys with me this week because I got a few things to do. We're headed to Punta Cana this week, and I'm going to take you guys along for the ride, but I need to pack. I'm still working on cleaning the spare room. I actually want to show you guys something too. Working on getting some things together in there. Today is, I have to do my planning today because I didn't do my planning day yesterday because we had family in town and stuff like that. So we really just was doing that yesterday and this weekend. I know you guys saw clips of that with the sipping paint. What else? I have class this week, 2 classes actually. I'm taking 2 classes right now. So yeah, so doing that. Taking 2 classes this week. So what else? Child, I got a lot going on, but I'm waiting for my hubby to get in. He got me some lunch, so we're gonna eat lunch together. I heard it was supposed to snow, and I don't know what's going on with that because then I heard that it is not going to snow. So we're going to see. But yeah, you guys, I'll be checking in a little bit.